Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 17th chapter, that is the mensuration in plane figures. In previous video already we have discussed that how to find out that area of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, rectangle, squares and its applications. Already we have discussed in that before video. But today we are going to discuss about the special quadrilateral that is also called as trapezium. What do you mean by trapezium? Do you have idea about that? What is that trapezium? Trapezium means a quadrilateral having a pair of parallel sides. A pair of parallel sides means if one pair of parallel sides is there, then that is called as a trapezium. The trapeziums are two types. Already you have studied in the 7 classes, and before that also I have explained in that solid figures. The trapeziums are two types. One is isosceles trapezium, another one is right trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium means that other unequal, that on parallel sides are equal. On parallel sides are equal, and if we'll say right trapezium means one that on parallel side is what is that perpendicular to that base. Okay, so this is called as the different two types of trapezium. One is isosceles trapezium, another one is right trapezium. So how we should find out that area of trapezium? Let us discuss in this chapter. That is very important for you. Okay. So trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means if that one trapezium I have written, friends, this is parallel. That means one pair if the two sides are parallel, then it is called as a, what is that? Trapezium. If one quadrilateral, four sides should be only one pair. If they are parallel, then we can say it is a trapezium. Each of the two parallel sides are called base of the trapezium. Either this is AB is a base or CD is a base, not a matter. Any two sides, these two parallel sides are, both are also, what is that, one of the base. Okay, if you say CD is a base, then no problem. If AB is a base, then no problem. So each of the two parallel sides are base of the trapezium. Again, what is that? Now the distance between the two parallel sides of the trapezium is called height of the trapezium. That means this distance from the two parallel sides, this is one parallel sides, okay, this is one parallel sides. So what is the distance between them? From vertices to, if you draw here perpendicular line, then you can find out the distance. This is called as a height of the trapezium. The distance between the two parallel sides of a trapezium is called height of the trapezium. So this is called as the height. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about what is the area. Now we will find out that area is equal to half into sum of the length of a parallel sides. That means CD this much length plus this much. Okay. Into height. What is that height? Height means the distance between the two parallel sides. So if formula if you write that A is equal to how much, students? Half into AB plus CD. AB means this length plus CD means this length. This you have to bracket R2 into how much distance is there, the two parallel sides into height. Otherwise, different way what you should find out that, friends. If you do diagonals like that, if you join, then it will form the two triangles. So area of the two triangles is equal to also, it is area of the trapezium. If different way, scalene triangle way or height this way, triangle area you can find out also. The both triangles area you will find out. Then also you can find out that area of a trapezium, because the sum of the area of two triangles is equal to the area of a trapezium. Okay. So these are the about that general introduction idea knowledge about that area of a trapezium. Now we are going to discuss some problems based on this trapezium. So example 1, you should see observed here. The area of trapezium is 720 centimeter. How much it is given? The area of trapezium is given 720 centimeter. If the parallel side are 7 centimeter and 13 centimeter, parallel sides are how much given, friends? 7 centimeter and 13 centimeter. This length given the parallel sides. Find the distance between them. That means height is asking. How much distance this height is asking. Yes. So area given. Solution first of all write down, students. Given that area how much? 720 centimeter square, and suppose this is A you take, this is B, so A is equal to how much? 13 centimeter, and B is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Okay. So now what is that area of the formula we know? Area is equal to half into A plus B into H. So which implies area how much given? 720 is equal to half into A plus B. A plus B means how much? 13 plus 7. Okay. 13 plus 7 into height, we don't know height. Okay. Now is equal to half into 13 plus means this is 20 into height. If 2 will got, this is 10. Okay. Now which implies 720 you can write. Now 10h is equal to 720, hence h is equal to height is equal to how much will come? 720 by how much? By 10. So 0 to 0 cancel, 72 centimeter. So hence the distance between two parallel sides is 72 centimeter. Okay. So this is called as how to find out that if height not given or distance between the two parallel sides is be not given, how we should find out the problems. Okay friends. Now exercise 17.2 we have to do. The question first of all is read the students. First question, find the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium we have to find out to. Base given how much? 15 centimeter. And altitude is how much given? How much? 8 centimeter. Yes. So if it is given base 15 centimeter and another one also two bases we need students. So and a 20 centimeter and altitude is 8 centimeter. Okay. Altitude is equal to 8 centimeter. Now what you have to do? How to find out that area of a trapezium. So area of trapezium formula what is that means? It is given area of is equal to already I wrote half into short form A plus B into H. A plus B means two sides, two bases or the two parallel sides. So half into A plus B 15 plus 20 into height 8 is equal to half into 35 into 8. If you got 4, 35 into 4 is equal to, we can write it to 140 centimeter square. So hence area of the trapezium is equal to 140 centimeter. So this whole about that how to find out the area of a trapezium. Okay friends, I hope you have understand about this. So you should complete that exercise for your homework. Exercise 17.2. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.